Hello dear students, thank you very much. I just received a call from Unacademy officials that you gave a great response to overwhelming response to our early bird offer for USMLE Step 1 preparation, and many students are requesting that they are arranging the funds, please extend the date. So the good news is that early bird offer has gone extended up to 28th of February 2022, of course, and what you are getting in this, there's a up to 80% discount. It is $9.99 US regular price. You will get, yes, not 99, you don't need to pay 99 US dollars. With present discount, you have to pay only 199 US dollars, right? And you will get 800 hours of comprehensive lectures, you will get 300 plus hours of review lectures, and you will get 3000 plus high yield MCQs which are made by the faculty themselves. And of course at Unacademy, I'm not alone. World-class teachers, very renowned teachers who are expert in their field, they are present over there to teach you. Thank you very much.
Unacademy. Let's crack it.